Starting a YouTube channel is exciting until you realize you need a topic, a title, a thumbnail, a script, a description, tags, and suddenly you're 3 hours into research and you haven't filmed anything. Yeah, I got tired of that too. So I built something. This is Insight from Feedback. It's a creator studio that does the boring stuff for you. I'm going to show you how to go from I have no idea what to make to ready to upload in about 3 minutes. No templates, no Googling, just AI doing the heavy lifting. Let's pretend I'm starting a brand new channel about starting YouTube channels. Very meta. Let's go. First problem. What should I actually make? Instead of guessing, I'm going to let the internet tell me. This scans what's actually trending in your niche right now. What formats are working? What titles are getting clicks? And, more importantly, what's overdone? Okay, so we've got hot topics, title patterns that are working, and look, it even gives me video ideas based on what audiences are actually looking for. This one's good. I started 5 different niches simultaneously. Here's what happened. Classic. Let me save this. Now watch this. Every idea I save lives here. But the magic is these buttons. I can generate titles, thumbnail concepts, hooks, and a full script, all from one idea. Let's run through it. Titles. Boom. 10 options. Different styles. Curiosity, listicle, how-to. Thumbnail concepts. It's not making the image, it's telling me exactly what to put on it. Layout, text overlay, colors, facial expression if I'm in it. This is my Canva cheat sheet. Hooks. The first 15 seconds that decide if someone stays or bounces. 5 different styles. And now, the script. Full video script. Timestamps, sections, B-roll suggestions, even where to put my call to actions. This alone used to take me 2 hours. Now it's 30 seconds. Okay, so I've got my idea, title, thumbnail plan, hook, and script. Now I need the stuff YouTube actually cares about for search. Description generator. I give it my topic and title, and it writes an SEO-optimized description with timestamps placeholders, social links section, hashtags, the whole thing, ready to paste into YouTube. Same thing for tags. It generates tags, shows me what type each one is, broad, specific, long tail, and tells me the character count because YouTube has a limit. And this button right here, Copy All, gives me every tag comma separated. Paste directly into YouTube. So let's recap what just happened. In about 3 minutes, I went from, I don't know what to make, to having a validated topic from actual trends, 10 title options, thumbnail concepts, 5 different hooks, a full script, an SEO description, and tags ready to paste. The only thing left is to film it, edit it, and upload, which, yeah, you still have to do that part. I can't film for you. Yet. If you want to try this, it's at insightfromfeedback.com. There's a free tier so you can mess around with it. All right, go make something.